Genesis 39 reads like faithfulness tested in quiet rooms. A young slave's life tilts from pit to household, from chains to responsibility, as integrity quietly steadies him in a foreign land. Trust is placed in his hands, success following him through ordinary work, blessings spilling over even into a master's house. Then temptation presses close. Refusal after refusal until a lie strips him bare again and casts him down once more. Prison becomes his new address, yet even there the Lord does not leave him. Favor settling into the corners of confinement like light through barred windows. The chapter moves softly but firmly, teaching us that God's presence isn't always loud deliverance, but companionship that stays, whether in corridors of power or locked behind iron doors.